Coming up next, we're taking out a bad section of flooring. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So about December, early December, I knew I wanted to get this flooring out of here that was bad. There was a section of the subfloor that one of the seams must have failed. So of course when the bus was driving wet weather, the water would splash up onto the subfloor and then creep in and soak into this wood because it wasn't sealed properly.
So I'm going to check on Steven and see how far he's gotten with the bad piece of floor.
Hey guys, just finished cutting the floor. What we did to get this there's a bad section of floor here. I'm believing there's something to do, maybe I see a break here in the metal, maybe some water had got up in here and puddled. What I did to cut this out, I used a L square, carpenter square, marked out a perfect square so I can just set a perfectly square piece of wood in here. What I did, I had some remnants of where the previous owner had took out some wood. So I just set the depth of cut on here to about the last eighth there of wood so it wouldn't cut into here. And then I just went and got this wood attachment for the Dremel. Just went through and then cut the rest out until I could hear it hit metal, and then I stopped so it doesn't damage it. So it should pretty much just lift out, I'm hoping. I'm kind of curious to see what's under here. Oops. Let's see. Yep. Look at that. That's where the boiler was most likely coming in. From the wheels are right under here, so it spins up. I bet you it come in through here and then just puddled in here. Let's see. Okay. So that's what we got. We'll have to seal this up real good so it doesn't happen again. But it looks like I cut some of these bolts off too. It looks like what happened. So I'll be able to lay a new piece of appropriate sized wood in here and make it flat again. See you.